Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to play Incredibox Sprunki on iOS and Android devices. So with that being said guys, let's get started with today's video. So the first step is just go to this website known as itweaked.com. And if you're on iOS, first of all you just have to go to settings and search for background app refresh. And make sure it's turned on, and make sure your phone is in low power mode while doing this, and then just go back to this website and now just select Incredibox Sprunki from the list, and now just click on start now. Just click on the start now button to start playing Incredibox Sprunki on your mobile phone. If you're on Android, you don't have to do any additional steps like turning on low power mode and background app refresh to play this game, to play this application. For iOS, you just have to take these few precautions before clicking on the start now button. So yeah guys, this is how you do it. I cannot really play it on video because I'm gonna get a copyright strike. So yeah guys, that's it for today's video. If you found this video to be helpful, then consider subscribing. With that being said guys, I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.